Hey guys, I want to do a quick review of this new Shopvac that I bought today on Amazon. Let's just slice it open and see what comes in the box. Now this Shopvac is 3-in-1. It does wet, dry, and blow vacuum. So, if you're a person that has to deal with water or doesn't have to deal with water at all, this vacuum will certainly work for you. I wanted something that I can easily just go to my car, vacuum out the car, and do what I have to do. So it comes with the hose, obviously, of course. Here's the hose, and then it comes with 2 attachment pieces that I can use to get in the crevices of my car. So as you can see, with the hole right there in the front, you just pop this bad boy in right there, and then you can put on whatever attachment you prefer. I kind of like this one. So with the Shopvac plugged in, you can also lift the 2 sides right here to show what's inside. Right now it has a little bag over it. So that's how I use it in my car to vacuum out my car. If you're looking for something small that you keep at your house, you just bring an extension cord outside and vacuum out your car, this is the way to go. I've seen a lot of people use the little handheld one. The handheld ones are nice, but this is gonna hold way more material than the small little handheld one. So just depends on you. So that's gonna conclude my review. I love this because it's small, it's portable, and I can take it anywhere I need to. As long as I can have access to power, I can plug it in. It gives me the suction power I really need to get into the crevices, and it can also do wet things. So with that being said, I greatly recommend getting one.